Guys, me and Mr. Math coming back to you from the basement. How are you today? All right, so ST Math doing it again. All right, I'm going to go through a lot of these. So look for plenty of these videos and some other content. If you can, you have a laptop or a desktop or a tablet, you can download um, or sign up for ST Math free right now through June 30th. And I highly recommend it. Free games, you're going to learn so much just by playing. And I just think it's a great resource. You've seen the games. And the thing is so much of this, you're gonna prove to yourself that you know so much already. Um, and I just think it's wonderful. So I want you guys to sign up if you can. Okay, take the time. And there's an 800 number now. Setting it up is not that easy. I had to figure out a couple of things myself. I had to call the 800 number for support, and they were great. They walked me through step by step. So I'm going to play. It's probably going to be another long video because I think I want to play through a whole level instead of doing a bunch of short videos because I find that the editing process, even though for me it's as simple as like trimming the last few seconds, it's a headache for me. So I'm going to go ahead and play through this level, and I'll probably make all sorts of mistakes in the meantime. But bear with me. Pause the video, forward the video, do whatever you want. Okay. I say pause the video so you can work or think of the solution for the puzzle on your own. Okay, and then see what I come up with. Maybe I'm right. Maybe you're right. Who knows? Okay, so taking a look here. So I've got on the left side, I've got a single elephant, 2 peanuts, and I've got 5 elephants on my right side with only 6 peanuts overhead. Okay, so I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, I see it's 2 peanuts per elephant. I know. If I only have 6 peanuts and each elephant eats 2 peanuts, how many of my 5 elephants are we going to be able to feed? All right. So I think we can feed 3 elephants. And I believe that shading it in is going to indicate that these 3 elephants are each going to have 2 peanuts. Okay? 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Maybe I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. What happens to the other 2 elephants? I don't know. Let's hope Joe Exotic isn't around to take care of them. All right, here we go. Let's see. They just disappeared. There it is. All right. So that's what we need to do. 3 peanuts per elephant. Okay. We have 6 peanuts above. How many elephants can we feed? 3, 6. That's it. 2 elephants are being fed. The other 3, go find your peanuts elsewhere. All right. 4 peanuts per elephant. Above we have 10, 16. So it could be simple as 16 divided by 4 equals 4. We can feed 4 elephants. 4, 8, 12, 16. Five peanuts per elephant. It looks like above we have 15 peanuts. 5 peanuts. 5, 10, 15 peanuts fed to 3 elephants. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Good. 2 peanuts per elephant. Okay. How many peanuts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4 elephants get fed. Elephant. 3 peanuts per elephant. We have, it looks like 15 peanuts. Okay. I'm subitizing, guys. I see that the bottom is 10. I know it's 10. And I'm looking at this, and that's 5. All right. So what are we going to feed? We're going to feed them all. All right. They're each going to get 3. 5 divided by 3 is 15 divided by 3 is 5. All the peanuts get fed. All the elephants get fed all the peanut. Well, yeah, that's what happened. All the elephants were fed all of the peanuts. 4 peanuts per elephant. 2 elephants are getting fed here because we have 8 peanuts. 8 divided by 4 is 2. We're feeding 2 elephants. Okay, one more question here. Hopefully the next level brings a new challenge. 5, and it looks like 10. 2 elephants being fed. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Voila. See ya, Jeej. All right. All the levels. All the levels. Let's bring it. Oh, this one's interesting. All right. So 2 peanuts per elephant. Okay. 2 peanuts is sufficient for a single elephant, but we only have one peanut. So let's think of that square that's the elephant's body as its tank, right? All right. So you need 2 peanuts to fill the tank. All right. If we only have 1 peanut, how much of that tank are we going to fill? Yeah, 1 out of 2 parts, 1/2. So do we do this side? Or do we do that side? Let's do, no, you're not going to do 2. Yeah, just 1/2. There we go. Boom. 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. 2 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 3 is 2/3. Okay, again, 3 peanuts. This would represent a full tank. We only have 2. So we can only do, 1, 2/3. All right, we can only fill a fraction of the tank, the elephant's tank, the stomach, the hunger. We can only satisfy 2/3 of the elephant's hunger. Okay. Well, look at this: 3 peanuts, and even though the elephant has 3 sections, we have 3 peanuts. So we can fulfill 3/3. And what's 3 divided by 3? That's 3 divided by 3. 3 peanuts, 3 peanuts. 3/3 is equal to 1 happy and content elephant. Okay. 4 per elephant. We only have 2. What's 4 divided by 2? Tell me. 4 divided by 2. That's 2. What I should be asking you is, what is 2 divided by 4? It's 1/2. Right? That's right. Boom. Eat them up. All right. So let's see. And we could look at it this way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2, right? 6 divided by 3. So 2, how many of it? We're going to fill up 1/3. What's 2 divided by 6? 2 out of 6. That's all right. 2 divided by 6 is 1/3. He gets 2 out of the 6 peanuts needed to fulfill his hunger. Okay. So well-fed. This guy is satisfied, right? You need 6 peanuts. 6 peanuts. We've got 6 peanuts, so we're going to get all thirds. 2, 4, 6, right? It's divided into 3. Divide this into 3. What's 6 divided by 3? It's 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Hopefully this is helping you. Remember to pause to figure out these puzzles. Maybe you've muted me. That's also a smart idea. At times, definitely the wiser for turning off my commentary and just playing along. I think that's it. Yeah, 100%. Awesome. Awesome. Keep it rolling. GG. All right, we got 2 more levels of this extra long video I'm doing here. Wow, look at this. Okay, I don't know what to do. So we have 3 for 1, and we have 2 peanuts. So I'm going to imagine what I believe that means is that 1 elephant will be fed 2/3. All right, so let's see if that is what I need to do. 1, 2. Yeah, because we don't have enough. A lot of elephants are not being fed with 2 peanuts. That's, okay. Again, 2 for 1. So we have how many peanuts up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one of these halves is a peanut. 1 peanut, 2 peanut, 3 peanuts, 5 peanuts, right? Because, 1 peanut represents half the tank, right? Half the tank is 1 peanut. And we have how many? Think of 5 halves. That means 5 peanuts, right? Every peanut is a half. So we get 5 peanuts, right? That's it. Guys, please feel free to comment ways that you're thinking of this. I'd love to hear what you have to think, what you do think rather about not just these games, but how you visualize this. If this is helping you, does this make sense of things like fractions and multiplying fractions and division? Okay, so again, we have that elephant. We have 2 peanuts per elephant. It looks like the elephants are divided into 2 parts, so each is a half. Half a tank. Each half a tank gets how many peanuts? 1 peanut per half tank. All right, so we have how many halves there? Then we have, if a peanut is a half, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 halves, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And I love this. They don't put this as 2 wholes. It's 4 halves, right? Because each of these peanuts represents half of the elephant tank. All right, I love it. Good work. They call them improper fractions, but there's nothing improper about them. All right, so the tank holds 3 peanuts. So each peanut represents how much of the full tank, or how much of the entire tank? 1 peanut is 1/3 of the tank. Okay, so how many thirds are we going to need? This is 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. 1, 2, 3/3, 4/3, right? 1 elephant for this. If I have my cursor, is that what it's called? Up here in the 4 peanuts circling. This is 1 elephant, and this is 1/3 of the second elephant. Let's see if I'm right. I think I am. I don't think I'm wrong. Bam. All right. 4 for 1. Okay. So you can see that the elephants on the right have been divided into 2 parts. What's 4 divided by 2? It's 2. Okay. So each half tank is 2 peanuts, right? There's 4 peanuts per elephant, fills it up. So 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves, right? Here's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. Now let's do the math. Okay, let's do the math. All right. 4 times 5 halves. What's 4 times 5? 20. It's 20 divided by 2. 10. We are on a roll now, guys. On a roll. Let's do these fast from here on out. Okay, pause the video for each one so that you can come up with the answer before I click it in. Okay, 4 for 1. We've got above, we have 6. So that is 3 halves. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. All right, multiplying fractions. Remember, the whole number 4 is 4 over 1 times, in that case, 3 halves. So 4 times 3 over or divided by 1 times 2. 8 peanuts per elephant. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay. This one is different, and I like it. Okay. So let's take a moment, stop here, and talk about this. So, do we have enough peanuts to feed the elephant or to fill that tank, right? No, we don't. We only have 6 out of 8. 6/8. Okay? 6 out of 8 is 3 out of 4, right? All right. Now let's look at this. Let's look at each part. A fourth is 2 peanuts, right? Because 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Let's look at it another way. 8 times 3. What's 8 times 3? 24. What's 24 divided by 4? 6. The answer is 3/4. Can you hear my children upstairs? They're having a great time. All right. 5, 8. All right. So again, each of these fourths is equal to 2. All right. 1/4 of 8 is 2. And it looks like we have 12. So we are going to be able to do one elephant. That would be 8, 1.5, 6/4. 8 times 6, 48. 48 divided by 4, 12. That should be it for Gigi on this level. Rocking and rolling. Okay. Last level. I'm selecting elephants here. Okay. This program, it's recommended that you do about 15 minutes a day, I believe. I think that's a fair amount. It is fun. I like it. I enjoy it. It's math. You don't want to spend too much time in front of a screen. And I'm sure that there's some more exciting video games that you want to play, but do they really sharpen your mathematical skills? Probably not. All right, let's take a look here. I have no idea. So 2 for 1, 2, 1, and then we have these fraction boxes over here and 3 peanuts on the right. I know. I have no idea. I really have no idea what this is. 2 for 1. So what would you maybe give that same ratio? That's 3 to 1. That's 1 to, I don't know. I am puzzled and perplexed. So let's see what happens. What happened there? I am going to reset it. Maybe it's 2 to 1? I don't know. Does anybody know out there? What is going on here? 2 divided by 2/3? I have no idea. Let's see what we can do. What just happened, boys and girls? So let's try this one. I'm going to lose this level. I honestly don't know what happened there. I don't know. So here we have 5, and then we have 3 down here. This is what happened before. They dropped in, it made 3 parts, one for each. I really have no clue. This is embarrassing. It doesn't matter. So if this becomes 1/3, that would become thirds. So you each get 1. Do I do 5/3? I guess. All right. I think I'm doing it right. I'm just dividing peanuts divided by peanuts. So this one is 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 peanuts divided by peanuts. I guess it's going to work. I don't know if this is how it's going to go. Maybe you understand this and love to have you explain this to me. So what do we have here? 12 divided by 3 is 4. I'm just going to do 4. Watch this. I think that's it. Still a little perplexed, guys. $15 divided by 15 divided by 6. $15 divided by 6 is 2.5. So let's try that. Would that work? Yep. 6 divided by 4 is 1 2/3. 6 divided by 4 is, hold on. Six divided by 4 is 1 2/3. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. Hold on, Mr. Whitehead. Don't be silly. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5. But it's also 6/4. So let's give this a go, which is also 1.5. That's interesting. Okay, I think I've got the hang of this now. Good one. I'm glad this game was able to present a challenge. So what do we have here? We have, and it's nice that there's different ways we could represent this. See, in the last one, we could solve it as 6/4, or also 1 and what was that? 1.5. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 divided by 6. So we got 9, 6. Let's do these. So let's do a whole one. And then that's, oh, these are fifths. We don't want to do fifths. I thought those were 6. My bad. Again, what do we have here? 9 over 6. Let's simplify that. Let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. We get 3 over 2. So we'll do this, and we'll do 3/2. Okay, so each half, the whole elephant's getting 6, and each half is 3. 3, 6, 9. I'm finally figuring this out. How about that? I like it. Puzzles, guys. Play. And that is it. And we are done with these particular lessons. Hooray! Still haven't climbed all the way to the next level. But we are going to call it quits for the evening because I am just tired. I hope you enjoyed the video. Guys, stay healthy and happy out there, okay? Bye-bye.